Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? You know a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already when I come for represent, you know. You don't know a full effect. You don't know it go already when time sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion, boy. Watch it. I make me get real electrified right now. So here me I say Gaza Nation. Big up to all of the Gaza mother them and all of the Gaza lady them, because you know yesterday was International Women's Day and I never get to represent to the fullest. So here I go on Gaza girl. I have something for you. Here I say, girl, you full of shape like J-Lo, you act like Maya. Why? You have my whole body on fire, your style kill me slowly. It's no lie like Angelina Jolie. You didn't see shape, I get me honey. And it's no lie like Gwen Stefani. See them, watch. So I say all Gaza lady, I say respect to the fullest. You know the general, the 10-star one, I represent in a full effect. So hear me, man. Right about now, you know, I watch JA Radio live, you know. And here me I say, last night, you know, was a tremendous moment for people on JA Radio, because here we go on. The topic was about, you know, some people, you know, I say Alkaline fall off, and you have enough fans them who call in and admit that to Wiz and Shakira last night. You see what I deal with? But me tell you this, because I go bring you back, you know. You know how me is a man roll, you know. I go way back like the seat in my Cadillac. Then, here we go on. When the youth does come out, you know, the youth take the interview, you know, and I tell not nice, you know. Say if him think vybz kartel controversial, you know. Wait, you know. Them I go see, you know. After the local youth, you know, tattoo up himself, you know. Put in black contact lens in him eye, you know. And bleach out and start the extension shit, you know. As soon as the man start get the hype, you know. You know the big journalists, them are gonna give him some interview now, like all ER on stage and them shit there. You hear the man thing now? The man no know no more dancehall artist. Him no know vybz kartel again. The man them ask him which dancehall artist him listen to. None. You know what I mean? Which dancehall artist him idolize? None. What the fuck? Then how you reaching a dancehall? Eh? Tell me then how you reaching it. If you not listen no dancehall artist and you not acknowledge no dancehall artist, how the fuck you reach in a dancehall? That are the first stupid move you make, dog. You can't disrespect like that, my virgin. And then you go around and disrespect the journalists them who interview you. Because you disrespect with Fred. Just because you catch on for your fucking contact lens where you put in your eye. You know you lie. What the fuck you disrespect the man for? Because let me tell you something. When you go even tell a lie, the first person you can't lie to are yourself. You know? So if you know a lie and your trick work, you admit it and you talk professional about it. Why you disrespect the man? Them shit that joke thing where you go out with. And I saw the man build him career by acting like a girl. Him a boast and a show off that him not need you. Him not have to deal with you. And I saw dancehall go dog. Dancehall are for the people and the people them have to dancehall. So if you want to be a champion for dancehall, you have to be a man for the people them dog. You have to be a man where keep in contact with the people them and mingle with the people them. He's not that type of person, my virgin. You see what I deal with? And you know, give respect where respect due. You can't just come and act like, well then, you know what I mean? And you are the fucking gold dust. You know what I mean? I saw you are go on. No, I don't say it go, my virgin. A bill you have to build foundation. You know, just come trample that and when a brute force thing no work. You know what I mean? And why should people give you all that type of respect? Because you're acting like a kid, you're still acting like a child. You know what I mean? Because you have this big platform where people listen to you and all these things. And people spend them money for come watch you and them shit there. You give the people them nothing but love and the truth, my virgin. That's what you do. You know what I mean? So by you trying to rise up yourself with Vybz Kartel, that alone is a shit who are going to put a dent in your career. Because if you rise your career with your fucking own flavor and your own style, you know what I mean? And developing your own shit, you know what I mean? Where people can acknowledge and respect. You want to rise your career off of this man. And you're not excellent like the brother. So how you for go in front of the man? And the man was before you, and you not show no respect towards that. And the look of fool blogger them where go like say, I fame them want for call their name. And them are the main one why you think shabby like this, because everything you do, them review it and them a try to compare and compete with Vybz Kartel. And that cannot work. You know what I mean? So as soon as you now make the delivery where you're supposed to make, our people expect you, everybody say you fall off. If you was a youth to do your own thing by your own pace and now mingle up for chop or for being a Vybz, for with no Vybz Kartel now no popcorn, you think would have grow because nobody wanna watch you. But true, them a push you like say you are the man and you are say you are the man. Everybody a watch the man. So when the man now act like the man, everybody a go call you out and say the man a no man, him is a boy. You understand me? So no lollipop thing, so anything where you push out of that you go get back, you know. Because you can't plan corn and peace coming out. Impossible thing that you talk about, you know. So where you push out you go get back. You know what I mean? Me not go say, well then, you're supposed to walk around and a big up man. Because we no kiss ass and that me I say. But the facts remain. You know what I mean? Respect Jew where respect Jew, and you fall in this genre and you come see some top giant and you have to show the respect. You know what I mean? You can't just walk around and kick off everybody's face like that. You can't do that. You know what I mean? That not gonna work. You know what I mean? You call them thing the earth come up. You know how we call that in a football? Fast and foolish. Because you're fast but you're foolish. You just run while you're alone with the fucking ball. Like you alone a play. You see what I deal with? So them things that we talk about, you don't know Gaza, you know, come like Skillachi. You know, you hear Vybz Kartel say the same Skilla Man City. And we name Skillachi. You know what I mean? And I know Bembe Chalky, you hear that? Another lollipop thing we have to know. You see what I deal with? You have to know when for being precise, know when for be vigilant, know when for be cool, know when for be nice to the people them, you know what I mean? The man never have no fun with the people them. You know what I mean? Till the man take on all this thing, the man act like him as some international artist because him not even working in Jamaica no more. You know what I mean? Or you can stay far from dancer like that. Who want to the people them around him we're supposed to deal with the best interest for him. Be a negative thing them a lure him in. You now go can ride on Vybz Kartel coattail forever, my virgin, without no work. Because it's just, let me tell you something. It's just an infatuation in our own fucking mind. Both female and the people them who are fucking black femme and hype him up and the people them were around him. Because here we are going. You're busy trying to ride on Vybz Kartel coattail, my virgin. And popcorn the way ahead of you, my virgin. So even if say Vybz Kartel for stop, you still not go there at the front, my virgin. Because popcorn the way ahead of you, man, you not have the body I work with him off. And on a lollipop thing. Your best year of 2016, you now have the body I work with popcorn up. And it no matter what kind of nice song you do, popcorn does have a big man delivery than you. Him delivery so big and commanding, it make the look of people like it, the big people like it, and the older people like it. And let me tell you something. Popcorn sing some big commandment song and another local nice song where just nice 2 months and then it gone out of your brain. The man have some big giant song, a commanding song that can't left your brain, it can't left dancehall. And on a lollipop thing me I telling about. Me not telling you already. Him ever sing a song like real youth not forget the dumb plan, now where them come from. Him have an anthem like that. You think that song they can ever dead again as long as life, as long as dancehall have life in this world? Them you call them the dancehall anthem. You see what I'm dealing? I'm from a place where dog eat dog. Him not have none of them commanding song there. Popcorn sound like a